Kiolwa, good evening. Demdition is Steve. My name is Steve. I'm here to continue our lessons of learning how to speak Kiluba fluently. Today we're going little by little studying things here and there. I thought about water as I was drinking water. I said, well, we can teach how to drink water. How to talk about water in Kiluba. For instance, I had water in my little cup here. I'll say, Toma MEMA means I'm drinking water. And Toma MEMA, this is what it is. Toma MEMA. I'm going to talk about it in a few seconds after showing to you. Toma MEMA means Toma MEMA, I drink water. Water is MEMA. We talked about the day before. Water is MEMA. Toma means I drink. Toma, I drink. Utoma means somebody else. Toma, it's me. Toma MEMA. So Toma MEMA means I drink water. If I'm drinking water, it's in Kiluba, it still means in Toma MEMA. There is no really continuous tense like in English. And in French, it's going to be je bois de l'eau. Je bois de l'eau. Toma MEMA. I drink water. I drink water. Toma MEMA means I drink water. Toma MEMA. MEMA, it's water. Toma MEMA. I drink water. Je bois de l'eau. That's French. So after this one, we can talk about another piece of information I had here. It's I'll put it on the floor. And then another piece of information is Ndina kyumwa kya MEMA. Ndina kyumwa kya MEMA. Ndina kyumwa kya MEMA. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Thirsty in French it's gonna be j'ai soif. It's really hard to change all those languages, speaking this language in the other language. J'ai soif. J'ai soif. Dina kyumwa. J'ai soif de l'eau. I didn't continue in French. It means j'ai soif. We have to add j'ai soif de l'eau. It means I am thirsty. I am thirsty. In English, I think once you say I'm thirsty, everybody will imply it's water. Thirsty of drinking water, I guess, something like that. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty means dina kyumwa. Dina kyumwa. Dina kyumwa kya MEMA. I'm thirsty means I'm thirsty. I would like to drink water, something like that. So that's why I'm thirsty means I would like to, I'm thirsty means that. And ndi na kyumwa. Ndi na kyumwa. Ndi, as you know, we already studied that over and over. Ndi means I'm thirsty. Thirsty, it's kyumwa. Kyumwa. Kyumwa is thirsty, the verb to thirst. I don't know. Otherwise, I'm thirsty means ndina kyumwa. Kyumwa means you need. I mean, say you need the water. You need something to drink. Dina kyumwa. Dina kyumwa. Dina kyumwa kya MEMA. I'm thirsty. In French, you say j'ai soif de l'eau. J'ai soif de l'eau. And we'll pass, and I will go as quick as we can. And the other, I don't know if it's too quick. I don't think it's too quick in those videos. You can stop it whenever you want to stop it, and you learn what you want to learn. Another one is Saka MEMA. How can I call that? Saka MEMA. Saka MEMA. Saka MEMA say that I need water. Saka MEMA means I need water. Saka MEMA. I need water. J'ai besoin d'eau. J'ai besoin d'eau ou j'ai besoin d'eau. Je veux de l'eau. I don't think it's really je veux de l'eau. I feel like it's mostly j'ai besoin d'eau. I wrote je veux de l'eau. It's something very close to that. Saka MEMA. Saka MEMA. The most important is understanding that saka means I need. I need water. Saka MEMA. J'ai besoin de l'eau. J'ai besoin d'eau. J'ai besoin d'eau. I need water. Saka MEMA. If you go somewhere and you reach people and you say, well, saka MEMA. Normally in Kiluba, Kiluba is very polite, as I told you initially. Kiluba is very polite. Saka MEMA. You can tell people saka MEMA or sakako. The ko means please. If we add another saka here, we add sakako MEMA. Sakako, this ko means please give me water, or saka MEMA. Sakako MEMA, I need water, please. So it replaces please ko, and then the other side, je veux de l'eau, j'ai besoin d'eau, s'il vous plaît. And that's another one. And the last one, I don't know if it took long. Well, that's 6 minutes, 7 minutes. I'm kind of rushing. And another one is peko MEMA. Peko MEMA means give me water, please. Give me water, please. Peko MEMA. Peko MEMA means give me water, please. Give me water, please. Peko, when you hear ko, it means that the person is polite. It's asking with respect. Peko MEMA, it means the person is thirsty. Udina kyumwa. It means that he is thirsty. Kyumwa is thirsty. We talk about ndina kyumwa kya MEMA means I am thirsty. Kyumwa kya MEMA, I am thirsty. I need water. Saka MEMA means I need water. Give me, please, and give me water, please means peko MEMA. Donne-moi à boire, s'il te plaît, or s'il vous plaît means peko MEMA. Or give me water, please. So that's was the easy lesson. Water is good. I was trying to think about water, and we can talk about water in many types. There's many verbs. We have a lot of things to learn. Please don't be distracted. Learn. You have questions, call me, text me, write something. Please visit those videos. You'll learn more, and before the end of the year, we'll be very knowledgeable. My plan is that probably in less than 2 years, people will be speaking Kiluba fluently. Those who are going to visit the North Katanga will really surprise many people how much they learn online. So looking forward talking to you in person, or looking forward changing ideas. And please let me know if you have other ideas how to teach, I do what I can with what I have in order to translate in order to teach this language. So looking forward learning more with you. God bless you. Shalom.